So this is a 5-minute spelling game based on a similar premise to Hangman, but slightly more complicated because it involves a bit more deductive reasoning, and therefore it's appropriate to maybe slightly older age groups. So, word detective. We start the game by having the alphabet written at the top of the piece of paper, and then someone chooses a word. Now, for any point of this game, it must be a word that doesn't have any repeated letters in it at all, otherwise it doesn't work. Same goes for the words that people guess. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will tell you that the word I've chosen is lion, just to make it slightly easier, and you can see how people can work out those letters. So the people that are guessing need to guess words, not letters like hangman, but words. See, I've already had a go at this. So let's say the first word was cat. Now, from the word lion, there are no letters in the word cat that are also in lion, so we can do a 0 for that. And then we can cross off the C, the A, and the T. So those are eliminated from our alphabet at the top. Let's change it up. So we change one letter. Let's say car, C-A-R. Again, there are no letters from that. So I can also cross off the R. So I now know that in this word here, my word, there are none of these letters, A, C, R, or T. Let's change it again, have another guess. Let's say dog. Now there is one of those letters in lion, so I'll put a 1. The person guessing doesn't actually know which of those 3 it is, and now maybe they would think about saying, let's change it to Doug. And if I say Doug, there aren't any of those letters, so I can do a 0, which means not only can I cross off the D and the U and the G there, it does tell us that if I've crossed off the D and the G, that one letter must be an O. Okay, let's see if we can do something else. So let's say dig. Okay, so now we know that there's another letter in there. We know it can't be the D, it can't be the G, because they're already eliminated, so it must be the I. Okay, and the game progresses like that. So through the elimination of each of the letters, you can then work out those 4 letters, and then occasionally you can do it depending on which order you work them out in. It then becomes an anagram to solve at the end.